Today we embark on an exhilarating journey to the far reaches of outer space, where two remarkable astronauts, Steve Bowen and Woody Hoburg, embarked on a mission of cosmic proportions. It was a bright Friday morning when the space station came alive with activity. Bowen and Hoburg, clad in their spacesuits, prepared themselves for an epic adventure that awaited them. With a sense of anticipation and determination, they stepped out into the weightless expanse outside the International Space Station. As they floated gratefully through the void, their mission became clear. They were tasked with installing and unrolling a groundbreaking solar array wing, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of scientific progress. This cutting-edge technology has been delivered to the station just days before, courtesy of the remarkable SpaceX Cargo Dragon supply ship. With every momentous step they took, Bowen and Hoburg left behind the confines of their space station and ventured towards the starboard side, where the sprawling power truss awaited their skilled hands. It was there that they would begin the meticulous process of mounting the new solar array into its designated bracket fixture and unfurling the solar blanket, harnessing the power of the sun to fuel the station's endeavors. Days earlier, a SpaceX Cargo Dragon spacecraft has ferried the two ISS rollout solar arrays, or iROSA units, to the space station. This unpiloted marvel, launched from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida, carried within the promise of enhanced power generation for the station. The lab's robotic arm deftly extracted the solar rays from the cargo bay, positioning them temporarily on the station's truss, awaiting the astronauts' arrival. With precision movements and unwavering focus, Bowen and Hoburg resumed where the robotic arm left off. They released the restrained bolts on one of the new solar rays, and Hoburg, ever the intrepid explorer, found himself in a foot restraint on the station's robotic arm. With great care, he cradled the spooled-up blankets, their compact form resembling a refrigerator, as the robotic arm ferried him to the solar array's permanent abode on the S4 truss section. The real magic happened as the spacewalkers expertly affixed the roll-up solar array onto a previously installed mounting bracket, a testament to the meticulous planning and the precision engineering that underpinned their every move. Unfolding the hinge, they unfurled the two blankets, much like opening the cover of a book, securing them with 8 bolts torqued by Bowen's electrical tool. This marvel of engineering, the iROSA unit, seamlessly integrated into the station's power channels and rotary joints. These joints, like celestial clockwork, ensured that the solar wings always faced the sun as the space station hurled through space at a breathtaking speed of over 17,000 miles per hour. The International Space Station, a testament to human collaboration and innovation, boasted 8 power channels, each deriving electrical power from a solar array wing extending from the station's truss backbone. The new solar array, deployed on that fateful Friday, would serve as the lifeblood of the station's 1A power channel, channeling energy to fuel its scientific endeavors. Bowen and Hoburg's journey didn't end there. They skillfully connected 4 electrical connectors to the new rollout solar array, strategically positioned to partially cover one of the space station's original solar panels, a relic from a space shuttle mission 16 years ago. These original solar arrays have served their purpose, but had gradually degraded over time. NASA, ever forward-thinking, procured 6 rollout solar panels to restore the station's power generation capability to its former glory and beyond. With the successful installation of the new rollout solar array, the space station's power capacity soared above its original limits. Looking towards the future, NASA already had plans in motion. They were preparing to order a final pair of rollout solar arrays, the last pieces of the puzzle needed to complete the space station's electrical upgrade. This ambitious endeavor would ensure that the lab remained fully equipped to support groundbreaking research and innovation until its planned retirement in 2030. As Bowen and Hoburg marveled at the beauty and magnitude of their accomplishment, they knew their mission was more than just feat of engineering. It was a testament to humanity's insatiable curiosity, our unwavering determination to push boundaries and explore the unknown. The rollout solar arrays, with their slick design and remarkable efficiency, served as a beacon of hope, symbolizing our commitment to sustainable and renewable energy sources. Even in the depths of space, they represent a significant step forward in our quest to understand our universe and ensure a brighter future for generations to come. With a sense of pride and fulfillment in their hearts, Bowen and Hoburg began their journey back to the Quest airlock. The weightlessness of space seemed to carry them effortlessly, as if the vastness of the cosmos itself celebrated their achievements. Closing the hatch behind them, they bid farewell to the vastness of space, knowing that they had left an indelible mark on the International Space Station and the annals of human exploration. Their spacewalk, the culmination of months of preparation and years of dedication, was etched into the tapestry of history. As they repressurized the airlock, NASA marked the official completion of the spacewalk, acknowledging the tremendous efforts of Bowen and Hoburg. The duration of their venture, spanning 6 hours and 3 minutes, felt like a mere fraction of the time they had spent traversing the cosmic abyss. Bowen, now a seasoned spacewalker, had added another remarkable achievement to his storied astronaut career. For Hoburg, this spacewalk marked the beginning of a promising journey, a foundation upon which he would build his own legacy among the stars. The spacewalk of that fateful day, the 7th of the year outside the research outpost, was a testament to the collaboration spirit of humanity. It was a reminder that when we come together, transcending borders and boundaries, there is no limit to what we can achieve. As the International Space Station continued its grateful orbit, a symbol of human ingenuity and international cooperation, the legacy of Bowen and Hoburg's spacewalk would endure. Their story would be etched in the stars, inspiring future generations to reach for the heavens and embrace the boundless possibilities that lie beyond. And so, dear listeners, we come to the end of this chapter in the remarkable journey of Bowen and Hoburg, two extraordinary individuals who dared to venture into the cosmic unknown. Join us next time as we continue to shine a light on the awe-inspiring stories of those who dare to dream, explore, and redefine what is possible. Until then, keep your eyes fixed on the stars, for within their distant simmer lies the promise of infinite discovery and the potential to unlock the secrets of our universe.